Okay, let's hope this works. Oh, great. Okay, let's hope this works. Did I do it? Ah. Oh, great. Okay, let's hope this works. Did I do it? Ah. Oh, great. Okay, did I do it? Ah. Oh, great. Did I do it? Ah. Okay. I think that's better. Okay. Can you guys hear me?
I can.
Yes, I can hear you.
I did it.
Yes, you did. Is it recording? Are we recording yet or not yet?
I've got start broadcast, and then how do I do recording? It's live.
Then
So
I think it's recording.
Recording,
Yeah,
right? And so push stop broadcast, and then that'll be done recording.
You're good.
Okay. Whew. All right. Had cheat sheet notes. All right. How are you guys doing?
Hanging in there.
That's good.
This lesson was better than the last one, so I'm okay.
I agree. This one was better than the last one.
So
yeah, not too bad. I think I comprehended pretty well this time, hopefully. So
I think so. I'm not certain, but I think so. But it said to wait and do part 2 group preparation thing, and I wasn't sure if that meant we were supposed to do this together. I did work on it to some extent, but 5 and 6, I didn't finish yet. I started on it, but I didn't finish.
I did all of mine because I thought we were supposed to have it done.
me too. And okay, am I missing something? Because have one page? Is it just 5 and 6, or did I miss something?
No, but it says you will fill this part out during your group preparation session.
Oh,
so
you know what? I didn't even look at that. I just went on and did them. So,
well, this will be faster than it would have been. Well, I kind of started actually too, so looks like I'm the one behind anyway. So
nah, no, you're the one that read directions, so it's okay.
I just did it.
Awesome. Part of you lead us through that part. I think the 1 through 4 was just really copying down definitions and what we we didn't figure anything out. So that I don't know that we could have. I mean, if you didn't do it, you didn't do it. But otherwise, it was copying. So
yeah. Although it was a little vague, if you asked me, about the definition discrete random variable, because it just kind of said, well, we're not going to go into a lot of detail in this course, but
right.
Yeah. So I guess we just have to understand that it's just a variable that has a value that can be listed over time. I don't know.
I mean, that's what I put. A random variable is discrete if its values could be listed in principle given enough time.
I was hoping we didn't have to know that really well because we're not business majors or math majors.
I think that's the case. I think they're deciding not to go into a lot of detail because we're not business or math or that kind of stuff, which is good.
That's great.
Right?
Okay.
All right. So
So
as far as I got, because I even thought I was jumping ahead, but I'm obviously behind. I had started to make a chart, but I did 1 through 8, and I only did out to the third. I only did out to the third column, and then stopped. So that was what I had started to do.
well, I did it a little differently because it's just asking for the probability.
Oh, right. Yeah. See.
So it's a little simpler than that, I think. I don't
Oh,
think we
yeah.
have to do any charts.
Yep. You read the directions on that one.
Well, all comes around, I guess, huh?
So I think all you do is, because there's 3 numbers higher than 5, greater than 5, you do 3 divided by 8 and get 0.375.
Yep, that's what I did.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
And then using the rule of whatever, what rule was that? The probability that an event won't occur. Or just counting, there's 5 numbers less than that. So it's 5 divided by 8 to 5.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
And those all add to 1, so it follows the rules. We did good.
Right? Yes, you did. Okay. Well, can we hope that this quiz will be that easy then? And this
Yeah,
is
that's what I'm hoping.
the shortest meeting by far.
Yeah, it makes me a little nervous. I haven't looked at thinking, oh, this one seems really easy. Does that mean the next one's going to be really
I haven't looked at
complicated?
it either.
I haven't either.
Yikes.
I was happy to get this one.
Definitely. All right, are we ready to?
Sure.
Sure.
Let's see.
All right.
All right. Lesson 4, group meeting quiz.
All
Yes.
right.
Everybody click start quiz. Are we there yet?
Nice.
Mine's beautiful. Oh.
There we are. I
There
thought
we
more.
All right. I'm there too. 13 questions.
Oh dear. Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, give them in decimals. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, blood type, it looks like.
Right. The blood types and the proportions given on the table define a probability distribution.
So I think if all of those add up to 1, then that would be a yes. And if they don't, then that would be a no, right? Am I
Yeah.
understanding the question?
And
And they do add up to 1.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Is it probably
Hmm.
Okay, oh.
Okay, so is this, am I oversimplifying? Do we just look at the
0.45?
chart? Yeah.
I'm wondering the same thing if I'm missing something, but I think that's right.
I think it is too, because I can't figure, yeah. I can't figure out how else would be.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so number 5 would be 0.55.
Yep. One minus, right? Yep.
And then it has to add up to 1, and that does.
Yep. Okay.
So what is the, I'm going to correctly identify the dish.
So there are 7 dishes, and and it's random, right?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that means 6 of them could be wrong, right? Or yeah.
So is it just
Divide-
1/7, and then we'll just do the math on that, and that would be to the decimal?
I think you just take 6 and divide it by 7.
How did you get 6 though? Because if they're
7
Well-
minus 1. You have 7 bowls, and if it's random, that he gets.
I'm a little confused on this one actually.
I thought it was we're on similar pages, Leanne, but I was thinking the opposite, because I'm thinking of it as the die. If it was saying what would the probability be of getting a 4, it would be 1/6, which is then whatever 0.167 or whatever it is. So on this, it would be 1/7, because there's one that we're trying to have it guess, and it would be 1/7. That's how I'm coming.
Yes.
That's what makes sense to me too. So
Okay.
can you explain why you got 6, Leanne? I'm not sure.
Because I did it the opposite way. Because I somehow slipped a naught in there, and I did the 1 minus
Got it.
Oh, okay.
7 minus the 1 and then divided instead.
Okay. So we're in agreement that it's 1 out of 7 then?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that's
So
that
round
would-
up 1, 4, 3.
Yeah.
I'm glad they used the die, something you can just is so common and I could visualize and compare it to as a check back.
Uh-huh.
yes.
Okay. Well, strong evidence, because if our percentage of him, that I'm guessing it would be 1.143.
Right.
We got it 22 out of 54 times. I mean, that's
That's
not
0.4.
significant.
That's 40% of the time. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, M&Ms.
Oh.
Nice markering that out there.
Yeah.
So 8 is just that 0.13, right?
I hope so. I hope that we're not missing something. That just seems so easy to just copy it straight from the, from the chart.
Yeah.
8, 1, 2, 6. To get the probability, wouldn't we have to divide 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 colors?
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too. I'm just wondering why they give those proportions that way then.
Oh. Yes, okay. Okay, so the distribution of the bag, of the colors in the bag is that. So would it be,
So wouldn't you take 1 chance out of 6? So would you divide 1 divided by 6?
no, because there's different proportions in the bag. It's not a 1/6 chance. It's it's a 0.14 chance, I believe. Isn't that what the proportion is telling us, that there's, would all of those add up to 1?
All right.
Okay, hold on.
Hmm.
Minus.
Well, I know what the green one is. And there's a question on that one.
Yeah.
Because those ones add up. At least what I got was that those things that we have the numbers for add up to 0.6. If I did use my calculator correctly. Let me check again.
And I did mine wrong because I got 0.16.
That's what I got.
Okay, then I did it wrong. You know what?
When I did the red, I just did.
I'm redoing it. I'm sorry.
No, I didn't.
Because each of those numbers altogether should add up to 1. So if we subtract all the other numbers, what's left over is 0.16 if I did my math right. And not that I did, but that's how I got to the number.
So what did you get when you added them, the numbers that we have there up?
I subtracted them from 1. I didn't add them together. I took 1 minus 0.13 minus
Oh, gotcha. That was a smart way to do it.
0.13. I'm going to do it again. I'll add them up this time instead. So 0.13 plus. Yeah, 8.84.
Okay. So then the probability that there's a green one is 0.16. Is that right?
I think so. It seems, yeah.
Because that's question 9. I mean, have we determined? Sorry, I'm kind of skipping around. I apologize.
No, I looked ahead too to see if that what we came up with the 0.13 was going to make sense if we stayed with that and kept going. So I kind of like you, I skipped forward too.
Okay, so I think it does make sense because
I think so.
it's not a 1 in 6 chance because there are different proportions of colors. So I think you're right. What do you think, Leanne?
I'm lost. It's fine. I think 1-3 is good. For question 8.
For question 8. Okay. And then the randomly selected candy is not green would be
0.84.
uh-huh.
What was it?
0.84.
So it's the 0.16 that we got as the green answer. So not would be the opposite of,
That's right. Okay.
Right.
is where I got to that, or how I got to that. Okay. Here's the following information.
No.
Wait. So 9 is 0.16. I put them in the wrong spots. Okay.
Yes, 9 is 0.16.
Yes.
All the time, like, wait. I just put them in the wrong places.
I'm glad you said something.
Okay. All right. I think I'm okay.
And then 10 would be 0.84.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Are you still lost, Leanne, or do you understand where those numbers came from?
Uh-huh. I got it.
Okay. Awesome.
I was making it harder than I should have.
Okay. That's all right. Last week was so hard, I can't think it threw us all off.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Easy.
We're taking a group quiz by video conference. But we're almost in. I'll be over in 3 questions.
Last 3 questions. Ooh. Oh, it looks like a review question. Okay.
Okay. Following summary statistics. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
Isn't that 24? Because isn't that the median?
Yes, that's what I would say. What do you think, Christelle?
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number?
Wouldn't that be 22, the Q1? Isn't that the 25 percentile?
Yes.
$22. Wait. Yeah, 22. Okay. And
Wait a second. Hang on. The top 25% of the students scored above what number?
Wait.
minimum.
Top 5. Oh, so it would be the Q3.
That's what I would say. Just because if we're looking at the top, then for ACT scores, they're higher numbers. So the
Right.
top 25 would have scored above 27.
Right. Okay. Which of the following statements is not one of the three rules of probability?
Third, well, they might be in different orders for us. But if the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative.
Yep. Nope. That's new.
Yeah.
Okay. Leanne, are you on the same page? What do you think?
Yep. Yep.
All right.
Do we want to review really quickly? Make sure that.
Yep. Good idea. Okay, here we go. Starting with number 3. I have true. Number 4, I have 0.45.
Yep.
Number 5, I have 0.55.
Yes.
Number 6, I have 0.143.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
7 is proof strong evidence.
Yep.
Yes.
Number 8 is 0.13.
Yes.
Number 9 is 0.16.
Yes.
Yep.
10 is 0.84.
Yep.
Okay.
Then 11 is 24. 12 is 27.
Yes.
And 13 is the probability high, positive and negative.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Submit.
You have to push submit like 3 times, like really, 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 really go ahead and really.
I know. I'm only on number 2. Here we go. Okay. Here's number 3. Yes.
I scanned to the bottom. You take your time.
Yay.
Yay.
All right.
That almost seemed too easy.
Thank you for being a great team.
Awesome. That was a great meeting. You guys rock.
All right.
All right.
Fingers crossed that the second lesson isn't too bad.
Let's hope so. So,
and Thursday night,
it better to meet?
Oh, go ahead.
Ask what time works for you Thursday. I can meet later if needed. That's totally fine.
A little later is better for me, but that's the earliest I can do it, and I could do it at that point. Anytime the rest of the night, I'm available. But I don't have kids or grandkids hanging out on my shoulders, so. I do that at work and then I leave them there. So
How about you, Leon? Does 8 work better?
Yeah. My husband's mission president passed away and his viewing is Thursday.
oh,
I think I'll be back in time, but I'm not sure.
you want to make it later? I'm a late person, so I'm at your disposal as far as late goes. I don't care.
Well, let's go 8 your time, 9 my time. Is that okay?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thursday at 9. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And I'll set it up next time.
I do the YouTube. I paste it over to the place we post and we're good. Yes?
Yeah, just make sure that I don't remember how to do it exactly. So hopefully, I think there's something on there that says to make it public, but the other one. Or is it public?
You have to make it public so the professor can. I didn't do that, but she still said, just do it next time.
Okay.
Okay.
Public. Do it.
All right. Thank you, ladies. We'll see you Thursday.
Okay.
And I'll go ahead and I'll set it up next time.
Oh, right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.